Welcome back once again to Java Programming Step by Step. Today we are going to learn a little more about Java variables and its data types. Alright, let's go to Java. Where is it? Right here. Yesterday we learned what is Java programming, why it is used, why we should learn Java, what is the syntax of Java, what are the comments and variables, right? Today we are going to learn about Java data types. Java data types, as explained in the previous chapter, a variable in Java must be specified data type. What type of data is? It has almost 8 primitive data types. Data can be integer. Integer is complete number. It can be float or double. It's like 5.99 is a decimal number. Or it can be a character. In programming language we say char, character. It can be just A, B, C, D or any character. And it can be also Boolean. Boolean is true or false. Alright, and it can be also string type. String type is combination of characters. Okay, data types are divided into two groups. One is primitive and another one is non-primitive data types. Primitive includes byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and characters. And non-primitive data types in Java include such as string, array, and classes. And we will learn more about this in the later tutorials. Okay, let's see the primitive data types. Primitive data types specifies the size and type of variable values, and it has no additional methods. Data type like byte, sizes like 1 byte, stores whole number from 1 to 8 to 1 to 7. Okay, minus 1 to 8 to 1 to 7, 127. Short is just double, then byte, the size is 2 bytes, and it stores whole numbers from minus 32,768 to 32,767. An integer is just double, then short, and it stores whole numbers ranging from this to that number. Okay, and long is double than integer when we want to write bigger numbers. Okay, as a whole, it stores from this range to this range. Okay, and float is 4 bytes, same as integer. Okay, and you can check it here. Just come to www.w3schools.com. okay, then boolean is just 1 bit. It stores true or false values. Characters are 2 bytes and they store single character, just a letter. Okay, like A, B, C, D, 1, 2. sorry, A, B, C, D, or A to J. And numbers, primitive numbers types are divided into two groups, like integer types and floating point types. Okay. In integer types, there are byte, short, int, long, and floating is float and double. So now I think you have clear idea about data type. Now let's work with some data types, how we can work in a Java project using all these data types. I believe this is our project on Java programming. Okay, so it's day 3 and we are working with data types. Let's create a class, and it's all about data types. Okay, data types, and package we can say day003, and I put a check mark to static void main, so that we write main method. Okay, so this is single line command, and there is multi-line comments, right? So today we are going to discuss with data types in Java, and we have come to know about different data types just few seconds ago. Okay, I think you remember it. Let's play with some integer, floats, string, and boolean values. Let's first define a variable. I'm taking integer. Variable is a is equal to 100, and second integer is b and is equal to, say for example, a, and integer c is equal to a plus b, okay, and integer d is equal to a minus b. Integer d is equal to a into b, okay, and integer f is equal to a divided by b. Alright, and let's now just print a, okay, and just change variables. This is c and this is d, this is f, okay, and we can just make them closer, and we can and now just go to run button and go to run as Java application, and let's hit on OK, and we can see a plus b equal to a is 100, b is equal to 20, a plus b is 120, okay, and all these results. Okay, so these are integers. Now play with strings. So I define string first name is equal to John, and string name like, say for example, and name, full name equal to first name and last name. Okay, now I can print so control spacebar, and I just can print full name. Yes, click on Java application, hit OK, John Blake. Now what we can do, we can make or even we can make a space here too, and just run it. John Blake. And here it is. Now what we can do, even we can print so and just write my here you are. And also you can program with Boolean also. How you can do it. You can say or you can say Boolean right, and now you can print so just my bool, and it will return the value true. There you are. Okay, so thus you can practice about the data types in Java. So be very easy if you practice several times and you can remember them. You don't need to memorize them. Okay, so it will a good practice to go through and practice again and again. It might take a couple of times just to practice and remember them. Okay, so that's all for today, and tomorrow we are going to cover Java type casting. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day.